Hi everyone. So here's a quick refresher for Quizlet. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the link that will take you to Quizlet.com. When you get to Quizlet.com, you either are going to log into an existing account if you have one, or you're going to sign up. Sign up is super easy because you can sign up using your Google account, which everyone has. Even though we're using OnCourse, we still have Google accounts. So I'm going to click here and it's going to then hopefully, there we go, take me into Quizlet. Now I already have a Quizlet account, which is why it took me right here. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click create. When you click create, it's going to then ask you for a title. So you can create your title. This is chapter 1, and we're going to want to write social studies since you have other classes that you might want to use this program for. Then we're going to go back to our presentation to see the words. Our first word is social scientist. So I'm going to type social scientist right here. The nice thing is it will check your spelling for you, and it's going to help provide you with definitions. So you're going to want to go back into OnCourse to open up the glossary that's provided for you so that you can see which definition are we using. And then you'll make sure that this definition matches with what the computer's offering. So it says scholars who study human society. So over here, I have a similar definition. After I do that, I'm going to then pick an image. Now, the nice thing about picking an image is it then forces you to think about the definition here. So, scholars who study human society. So, I'm looking for someone that's a scholar studying human society. So I can look here. Now I know that this is a picture of scholars studying a society that was once there. So this image makes sense to me, but the image only has to make sense to you. So if, for example, a magnifying glass reminds you of someone studying something and you think that that would help you, then you could choose that picture. But I'm going to choose a picture that helps me. Then I'm going to go and see what my next word is, archaeologist. So I'm going to type archaeologist here and do the same thing that I did before. Nice thing is, it does help me with the spelling. I'm going to go to the glossary that's provided in OnCourse in our resources, and I'm going to find, okay, it's an expert who studies the past by examining objects that people have left behind. And it has the same definition. So now I'm going to be looking for someone who is studying objects that were left behind. And I like this picture right here. So I have created my card. You're going to continue through until you get to the word feature. Once you're done with that, you're then going to click create. Now you can study the words that you created, and you have different options on what you can do. Now, before you click off, you want to make sure that you shared with us that you completed your work and that you did this assignment. So you're going to type in our email. So if you have me, Mrs. Conklin, it'll be Conklin L. If you have Mrs. Eckert, it will be ECKERTM at Kinnelon.org. We're both Kinnelon.org. So just make sure you send it to the right teacher. And that's really, you'll send the email, you'll be all set. Hopefully, everything works well for you. Have a great day, everyone.